So hello guys, today I'm going to show you how this workflow will automatically generate thumbnails for you. So how it works is this. Let me show you the result first, and I will tell you how I generated, how you can make, and I will share this workflow in my school community and Discord community. So you should have joined that first of all, and please subscribe as well my channel so that I will give you more stuff related to this. So yeah, that this is just processing. It's take time, like from third node it usually take time because it analyzing images, because of that this it takes some time. You can use anything. So yeah, it's generating and generating. Let me show you how the result look like and how you can make these types of thumbnails for yourself. So I'm using Go API for this demonstration. You can use um, for free as well. You can make for free as well. For that, I will tell you a trick, or not a trick. You can use the image for that. I will share the blog how to deploy the image on modal.com. From that, you can access it through um, uh, you can create any image for free. It's taking some time, and how it works is, let me show you how it works. Just keep generating. I think I just oh, 1 minute time. Oh man, wait a second. It's too long. I will. So yeah, it's generated. So how it looks is this. This is simple, as it totally depends upon how what type of model you are using. I am just using the basic one, ChatGPT 2.5 Flash. So according to that, how the prompt should look like, you can it can generate that type of uh, thumbnail. Actually, uh, I missed this the script part where which I put it here. So I just need to give you in full. But yeah, it works as well because it requires a full script, and so that it will cover up the thing. Like it will give you a good result for that. Okay. So let me show you how it works. Uh, Send me a YouTube title with a script. Okay, for 500 bucks only. It's just basic. I will tell you how you can make 1 minute is too long, I guess. Just put it in seconds, and 30 40 seconds is fair enough. 40 seconds is fair. 30 seconds or might be. It's good. So I have a YouTube script in a paragraph. It will help you to generate some good type of result. So this is my title. You just need to paste it here. Topic, this, okay, my topic, and let me put this topic based upon the script. Okay, a script. Okay, so let me generate how it looks. So it's keep analyzing, analyzing, and we show you the result after adding the script. It will generate some good type, good result as well. So I will tell you how it works. So okay, keep doing, keep doing. So as good as I get a prompt, the image should be like that. Uh, it totally depend upon the prompt. So, and let me see how it looks and how the prompt is. So the prompts look in video, media like not much as good as it can be. Let's see how the generated result will be. Okay, okay, almost done. Processing. Okay, keep processing. Actually, from where I am fetching the result is taking a too long time. I don't know why, but it's taking. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, here is our result. Let's see how it looks. Hope it will be okay. Yeah, that's fantastic. It's very good. And so how it works is you just need to upload some viral thumbnails first of all. Then, like for example, on Drive or whatever you can say, make a folder of that and upload it on your Drive and search. Use go to Drive and use search node for this. This is the search node, and you just need to put that that folder ID so that it can fetch. At least you should fetch 3 images from that folder and put around 6 to 7 so that it will not get confused. The model, uh, the node from which it's get processed, this analyze image of node, and just download it. So it looks like this. One viral. Okay, I just put it. You can choose anyone, and it just analyze the image, and after analyzing, it generates thumbnail. It gives the result like how the image should look like, and depend upon the title and thumbnail and the script, it generates a proper prompt based on your model, whatever model you are using. If you are using higher models, it will cost you, but it will you will get a good result. And after that, mm, you need what we can say, a provider who generates images for you for from API. It's really tough, but not you should have to like you should have to pay something for that. So you can use Runware, Go API, Fall AI, and anything else. For in my case, you can just go to modal.com and just log in and sign up and go to dashboard. Just need to attach your what we can say. You just need to attach your credit card and see the image turbo is here, and it's in on my it's on my compute on my ID, and I will share the code for this as well. You just need to join my school community. I will share the link in the description. School community as well as my Discord community. I will share both link as well. You will get uh, these um, these code to deploy how and the process how to deploy for this. After that, and after it's all done, you just get a um, good thumbnail for yourself. You can customize it like anyhow, but just put this, just edit this section and you are good to go. And after all, it takes some time, depend upon your from where you're using. For modal it's very fast, but it is a bit costly. You can generate around 4 to 5K images easily, without any hesitation, in $30. For $30, you just need to add your credit card, otherwise you will get $5 only per month. That's very really good to use computations. And it's all done. And please, yeah, please subscribe my YouTube channel to update, to get these types of uh, what we can say, to get these types of content. So for that you do just you need to subscribe it, and that's it. And if you have any confusion, you can telegram, you can just DM me on Telegram, or on Discord. I will share the link in the description. And and I will tell you um, how to make a proper long videos and upload everything in the next video. If you are excited for that, just comment down, and if you need that video, just comment, I want it. I will make a new video on that in the next upcoming days. So yeah, please, and hope you like this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.